Welcome back to my channel, guys. Joy of risk target one wave. So last week was a fantastic week. Most of the pairs went as per our direction. You will be shocked seeing that. So before diving into that, let us see what market has the next week. So we have a quite of on Monday. We have a quite of Europe newses, which is high priority. And what we are expecting, what they have forecasted is in the PMI. If you see, they have forecasted it is increasing. Okay, mostly everything. So with this news, we are expecting euro to get stronger. That's what we are expecting. But this should give a temporary push up. Okay. So after that, we have GBP PMI data. That also, if you see, it is quite similar, but it is quite strengthened. I feel with this news, the GBP should get stronger. Okay. So let us see, and we have to watch what Bailey speaks. And coming to AUD, we have on Wednesday we have CPI year on year. So we have to see what we get over there, and as well as GBP CPI year on year. So they're expecting to drop, but let us see what happens. And next comes the USD. On Thursday we have USD GDP quarter on quarter. So they're expecting to increase. I too expect to be increasing right now, and unemployment also to be increased, but not with just 2K. I mean, it should increase little more higher. I'm not expecting with 25. I'm little more better to 27 or 28. We'll see. Okay, as per our expectations. And yeah, and other newses also, but this will be following these newses. So keep an eye on here. So this news will be the major catalyst for USD pair for the next week. Okay. And okay guys, so we have added this week we have added USD chief. If you want any other pair or any other request next week, put in our comment in our box, so that we will analyze that pair, and next week that will get added here for the next week. Every week we are planning to get a new pair as per your convenience. So if you want any other pair, just put in the comment box. So we will see the what is the major comments that we get on which pair we should do. So that pair will be the analysis will be done over that. Okay. So comment which pair you need in the comment section. Okay. So this week we have also added USD chef here. This will be permanent charts here right now. Okay. So this will be hereafter, and the USD chef also will be included. Okay. So now if you go to last week, let us see what market has done. If you see what market has done is, like last week we said the market will be going up, right? Climbing up slowly. So see, as you can see, this was last week, right? 6 days ago. Okay. So the same thing, market went down and broke the low again and started to climb up and took the top also. So that is we didn't expect market to go over, but fine, market is just consolidating right now. What market is doing is just a consolidation stage. That's what we expect market to gain a little more momentum, that we can see over this area. Let me show it to. Market is just consolidating, but we are expecting little more consolidation at this area, first this level, and little more higher level we are also expecting here. So still we are expecting a push move. Okay, so this is what we are expecting. We'll see what comes. Okay, with the newses and with the technical side, if you see, this is what we are expecting here, and market started to push up. If it comes down also, no issues, it will go up. Okay, your trade should be upside only right now. Next pair is Euro USD. Euro USD was crazy, right? So last week, let's see what we have said, and this week what market has done. Okay, so this is Euro USD. As you can see, we said market, wait, let me just, it is zoomed out. Okay. If you see here, we said market will be falling, correct? Falling down from this area, it will be climbing up and falling, right? And if you see the current pair, exactly, market climbed up and after that it started falling, and exactly to our level, whichever we have said, and as well as in our Discord group. So with the up move plus this down move, you could have gain a lot of profits. I hope so. So this was a very good move that we have given in the free channel. Yeah, and for the next coming week, what we expect is still the market should continue um, in the momentum downwards. So if we expect a small push up, as we see on Monday's news, we expect small push up coming up. So small push up and again falling down. This is what we are expecting right now. A small push up to if at all again it breaks the high, there will be no surprise for me. But I am little more concerned about the down move, as well as this small push up on one day is aligning with me for technicals and fundamentals. So this trade for the up move will be a good chance, high probability chance to trade here. Okay. Next, GBP USD, that also it is crazy. See, we said last week from here market will be falling. It went way little above, just took the liquidity over here and started to fall. Okay, see, let me show you the last week's analysis also. We said, see, market will be at this level, market will be falling, and exactly as you can see, the market has done the same thing. Okay, but right now the momentum which market is crawling up, okay, it seems like very low momentums and it has lot of buyers, but here we are seeing a momentum loss, but not in a bigger way. Just a smaller push up and one more fall is coming. So this is what we are expecting, a consolidation stage where market can be between these ranges. Okay, this is the level that we can see. I'm giving you a little more advance here, so make use of this, and whichever pair for next week you want to do analysis, comment it below, will come for you. So this is what we see in the next week of GBP USD. Let us go to New Zealand USD. So last week we said market from here, market will be going up, but instead of that, market had a good momentum, so it did not give any setups to us for the selling. So in that case, we didn't took any sells and we started to push up. That was a good push up, but we were not in here. Okay, and after that, market from this level, market started to fall, and market ended at the same level where market started. You are able to see market started at this level and market ended at this level. So let me show you the last week's analysis. See, this is what we said: New Zealand USD 6-day SOCO and New Zealand USD. You can see from here, we said market will be falling, and now if you see here, the market did not fall and market went up and it closed where exactly the market opened. It is near to that level. It is just below that also. So for this week also, we are expecting market to fall more. So we expect small push up in every USD pair. We are expecting a small push up coming out, and after that a fall is coming out. This is what we expect. If something changes here, we will let you know. Okay, this is what we see in New Zealand USD. AUD USD, if you see last week we said market will be falling, that also, but it also took some push up because New Zealand USD plus AUD USD both will be behaving most of the time in a similar way, correct? So it went in the upward and took the top. After taking the top, it respected our way long the resistance area. And after that it started to fall. So right now this week also I'm expecting market to fall still more. We'll see. Still more we are expecting market to fall. Okay, still I'm not convinced with the buy setups here. Still I'm looking for my sell trades here. So be careful on this pair and New Zealand pair. It will be a tricky one. Let me show you the last week, so that last week is here. See, we said market will be falling, but market did not fall as expected. It climbed up, and after that it started falling. So this week and the upcoming weeks we expect a small consolidation, and after that a small push down is coming as explained over this area. Okay, I hope you got it. Okay, before coming to USD JPY, I just wanted to show you some trades that we have given in our Discord channel, and that was really crazy. Let me show it up to you here. So this is our Discord channel that we share. As you can see, this was shared on March 11. Okay, these two trades are shared by March 11, and let me open it. See, March 11 at 23:20 nearly we shared this AUD JPY going up, okay, from here, and as well as if you see New Zealand JPY also going up to taking the TP. Okay, now let us see what market has done. Okay, let me go to other forex packs for you, and I have opened AUD JPY, and let me open it. See, this is what you saw in the chart of AUD JPY 4-hour chart. Market did the same thing and took our TP, and after that it started coming back. So we got a good 3.5 ratio or 3.6 ratio trade in this, as well as in the New Zealand USD also. New Zealand USD, it went way above. So, but we have closed our trade here. Not an issue. This market bonus it will give, but not an issue. This is what we have said market will be doing. See, exactly market did the same thing. So we also booked another 2.5, that is nearly 3.5 plus 2.5. How much it is? It is 6% in just 1 week. So if you do in a month, if you calculate in a month, 6% into 4, roughly about. So if you think, just think out. So making a 6% in a week is very good than making just 1 or 2% in a week. So that is what we give in our community, and we teach them also. And next week we have a important announcement, so stay tuned here. Okay, we are coming out something new that for you it will be helpful. Okay, and let me go to the pair again. Okay, so USDJPY, right? USDJPY, we said last week, we said what we said. Let us see. We said market will be tapping, going up. That's our direction last week, and market is in the progress. Still, you can see the market is still going up. Still, it is continuing the trend. Still, we have a lot more time here. But if you see me, if you ask me a shorter time, my analysis will be market can push up from here. That is also one possibility that I can see. The other possibility also I can see is market pushing from this low also, from here also. So I expect market can fall up to this area, but we need little more structures to see here. After that we can update it here. But this trend line, this resistance is quite important here. Okay, I hope you are able to see this resistance that we have mentioned a long back ago. So let us see how it goes. Okay, and here comes USDHF, which is new trade that we have added in our YouTube list as per your request. So if you ask me, the USDHF right now it should be in consolidation. Do not trade right now in the USDHF. It will take all your money back. So don't look for any trade. If you want, you can just scalp the USDHF trades right now. Okay, it is just whatever, whenever the market comes to this down area, down zone, look for your buys. Whenever it comes to upper zone, look for your sells. Just scalp the trade according to your strategy. Okay, so that is what we see. So in the upcoming weeks, let us see what market does. Okay, and gold, yeah, that was also really crazy. You see, last week we said market will be going up. This white arrow mark that indicates the last week, and let me show you that also. This was the trade which this was the direction which was given in free YouTube channel. Okay, 6 days ago, that market will be going up to 3060 level. Correct? That is what we have said here, and you see exactly 3050 level, and over here also if you see it will be 3050. I have said 3060, I think so. It is 3050. Yeah, 3050 level. So these levels and movements are crazy, insane, right? You think if you take a trade here, assume that if you take another trade here for a long, keeping a stop loss just below this. This is 1:4.5. Sorry, 4:4, nearly 4. I can say 4 or 5. So in 1 week, another one trade with 1:5%. That is good, right? So just think, if without learning anything, if you are not able to make, then do learn something here. Join our community. We will teach you, and It will help you a lot in your future. I'm saying you, mark my words. So for this week, what we are expecting, as the gold is really in hot temper, I can say in that case, it's just boiling like anything. So we expect market. Honestly, now the market is in some way where nobody can predict what gold will be doing. Still, it will be shooting up or it will be going down. But whatever the case is, I expect market to at least come and take this level. This is what I expect. At least before going up, market should come to this level. So I'll be expecting here is what I'll be expecting over this level is. Let me show you. Market to fall here first, and after this I need to see a reaction here. Depending upon here what is the reaction, I'll say whether it is a buy trade or still it is going for a bottom trade. So this is a crucial level that we need to keep an eye here. I'm giving little more advanced here as a crucial levels and levels that I have mentioned here. Keep an eye on here. Keep an alert over here also. Okay. And regarding Nifty 50, if you see the last week, let me see what I have said in Nifty 50. Nifty 50, I said market will be going up from this level, okay? And what Nifty 50 has done? Exactly the same, and it was also breaked. Now assume that you have taken a trade at this level, keeping a stop loss here, and take profit. Another 1:1:4.5. Another 1:1:4.5. Crazy, right? This is how you should be. You should trade in the given direction. Okay? I'm just giving you an example, guys. Our traders are making awesome, really, and they are making a lot of money with our analysis. With just YouTube analysis, our free persons are also making, and our paid members are making a hell lot of money. In our free channel, they are making just 6% or 5% just with our directions. Think about our paid, which is advanced level analysis which we give. And let me show you next. Okay, in Nifty 50 I also want to say still right now the market has broken this level, so now I expect still the momentum is high here little more, so I expect a temporary push to push up. This is what I expect here. If at all market just consolidates, then that'll be very interesting. I'll be very interesting to see what market has here. If the market start to consolidate at this point, I'll be keen here. I'll be very interested in the Indian stock market. Okay, but if the market started to push up just like that, then I'll be out of the trade and I'll not trade. But this is what I see here. Okay, and next BTC USD. So if you see in BTC USD, let me see what I have said in the last week. This was also crazy move. BTC USD, I said market will be falling down and it will be pushing up, breaking the tops. This is what we have said in the last week. See, 6 days ago, as you can see, it was 16 to 23, and today is 23. Okay, this is 20. Today is Sunday, right? Okay. Okay. And yeah, 22. Sorry, today is 22. Another 10 minutes, I think it will be 23. Okay. So, and exactly you see the movement, market came down, correct? It was here, market came down to this level, exactly to our level, and it went up to exactly our level. You see this level? You see this arrow marks? I'm just giving you a hint. So when you trade, just make sure that you are with the right mentor and with your right community, because that's the important thing. Yeah, we know that some people will just scam you, but do not get scammed. Here you are seeing the proof that we are giving in the direction. Okay. So for this week, what we expect for BTC is, if you see the movement of BTC, if you observe the movement of BTC here, BTC is a little choppy, right? As you can see. Okay. It is very choppy, right? I can give you one technical thing which I see here, which I read about, is that we are able to see a trend line forming. So what we expect right now is market to just fall, and after that push up. This is what we'll be expecting, ideal cases, but I see in a different way. Okay, after market right now, market will be falling. This is what I will be seeing. So just trade a down move. This trend line, I think so. There is a lot of congestions or messy moves going on here at this area. So right now I'll be expecting the market to break this trend line. That's what I'm expecting. But if the market will be, if the market is taking up, okay, if the market is going up at the breaking this top again, then do not miss the move of sells here again. The BTC Bitcoin will be falling heavily, not heavily, at least to some level, at least to 75 level or 74 level. To that level again, it will be touching that levels. Okay, so make sure that you are in the trade and you trade accordingly. If you want better analysis and advanced weekly analysis, so join our Discord group. The link will be in the description. Yeah, and have a good trading week ahead. All the best, and make sure that you comment what pair you need for the next week, so that we'll analyze for you and make sure we'll add it here for the next week as per your request. Comment it below. Okay, bye bye.